Ling Portal Online School presents
Simple test. Can you feel the difference? Simple looks easy, but does it really feel easy? These questions look familiar. Let's test it. She usually drinks coffee before work. I think it will rain later today. Didn't they start the meeting on time? They travelled to Spain last summer. When the teacher asked, we knew the answer immediately. She will call you as soon as she arrives. The train leaves at 6:45 tomorrow. She left her keys at home yesterday. If you ask him, he will help you. She gets nervous before exams. I promise I won't be late again. Did you feel scared? What you do is, you take the train and then you take a bus. Her birthday falls on a Friday next year. As children, we played all kinds of games on the street. Well done. If something felt difficult, that's part of learning. Keep exploring, and may English open doors to new opportunities for you.